it's about 36 degrees. Tinted dark windows. They're like working on an oven glass. So I've got my bucket right next to me. Definitely need that. My two hands on the go. It's very dusty and dirty around here as well. So wet the window once. I'm gonna do one side of the glass at a time. Get that washer right underneath. And then also hope for the best. This weather, the worst type of weather to work in using a squeegee. These windows, the worst to work on in the sun. All those water-fed pole window cleaners, they've got it easy.